Backpage alternative. Find local massage, dating, and escorts. Discover strippers and hookups nearby. Our site organizes ads by location. Explore sections for jobs and services. Join community discussions and events. Find items for sale in your area. Connect with escorts and body rubs. Introducing Bedlist24, your new go-to. Experience the premium classified ads. Post your ads easily and quickly. Join the thriving classified ads community. Find your perfect match today. Share your experiences with friends. Bedlist24 is taking off in your area. Join us and explore endless possibilities. Welcome to Bedlist24, your go-to platform for adult services. Browse local listings across the USA, Europe, and more. Looking for a partner? Check out our dating section. Post and find items to buy, from appliances to furniture. Explore the free section for amazing deals. Join local groups, classes, and workshops. Find childcare, rideshare, and local events. Looking for adult services? You're in the right place. Post in our men and women seeking sections. Need auto parts or services? Check our automotive ads. Find job postings across various industries. Look for musicians or post your own services. Discover local events, bars, and restaurants. Join the vibrant community at Bedlist24. Find your perfect match today. Download the app and start exploring now. If you own a local business, host an ad here. Tell people about your shop or restaurant. Looking for housing? Check out our classified ads. Find apartments, shared housing, or vacation rentals. Explore land for sale, houses, and condos. Hunting for a roommate? We have options. If you offer services, post your classified ad. Find computer services, tutoring, and more. Get started on Bedlist24, the new Backpage. Posting an ad is as simple as clicking Post Ad. Navigate through offers until you find what you need. Post an ad with a unique description of your offer. Always meet in person and at a public place. Use contact information to reach out for details. Don't pay through questionable payment options. Enjoy posting ads and finding services locally. Many sites provide classified ads for buying and selling. However, most of them aren't perfect for everyone. They often limit categories or locations. Several factors make these sites unfit for users. If you're looking for the best, try Bedlist24. It's designed to be the best classified ad site. It offers location-based ads for many countries. You can post various types of ads easily. Choose your location and start posting ads. Navigate through offers to find what you need. Look at other listings for style inspiration. Post your ad with a unique description. Add your location and contact information. Buying on Bedlist24 is simple and effective. Join the community and start your journey. Experience the ease of using Bedlist24 today. As a buyer, you should look through the listings. Use the contact information to reach out. Leave your contact details for a response. Don't pay with questionable payment options. Always meet in person before transactions. Meet during the daytime in a public place. Use Bedlist24 for posting classified ads. What makes Bedlist24 the best classified ad site? Many sites are not perfect options for everyone. They often limit categories or locations. Bedlist24 is the best choice for you. It offers location-based ads for efficiency. Post different types of ads to meet your needs. Post free ads easily with Bedlist24. Make your listing reach local audiences. Get your ads seen as sponsored posts. So whether this is a Craigslist personals listing, you will surely get many customers for it. Post in multiple cities. What is better than posting sponsored classified ads? Posting classified ads in one city? Posting classified ads in more than one city? This is the right option for you, if you are looking to do so. Expand your reach and connect with more people. Get started today and see the results.